Hey everyone, thanks for checking into Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today we're going to be discussing some of the key differences between Robinhood and Webull. For anyone who doesn't know what those are, they are free apps you can download onto your phone that allow you to trade stocks with no commission and options as well sometimes. It's pretty cool. They're some newer apps in the scheme of things, and they're definitely some of the first of their kind where it allows everybody in the U.S. to be able to trade in the stock market without having to pay commissions, because before most people were having to pay commissions on every single purchase or sale. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with Webull, and this is something I definitely like. I definitely like to trade stocks on Webull, and the majority of my trading day is on Webull using their buying and selling for equities. Webull does not offer any options at all, so if you're an options-only trader or even looking into options and want to practice them, you won't be able to do that on Webull, which can be a turn-off to some people. Some of the good things is that I see more liquidity in Webull. If I'm selling a stock at market value, it will almost always get filled. On Robinhood, a lot of the time, I'll set it for market value, and it won't get filled until I lower it 1 cent under market value, which I don't like. I don't like that. Another good thing about Webull, I'll show you. So let's say we wanted to buy the SPHD ETF. We would go to our portfolio, which is the middle button. We'd go to trade. Let's say we want to trade. Here, we'll go with Tesla. So if we wanted to buy shares of Tesla, we could go buy 5 shares of Tesla for a limit of $231.12, which is the market price. So if you click place order, it'll be filled almost instantly. And what's cool is, I want to show you, is that sometimes you can benefit from slippage on Webull that you don't on Robinhood. If this stock price was falling extremely fast, let's say it was just going down, a few cents every second or whatever, and you set your limit order for this 231.12, there's been quite a few times where my limit would get filled at 231 exactly, or a few cents under my limit, which can be really cool if you're trying to buy the bottom of something and it's going really quick down, and you can still benefit from setting your limit order and actually getting filled for less than your limit order. That never happens to me on Robinhood. So those are a couple of the reasons that I tend to prefer Webull for my stock trading, and I also use Robinhood for long-term holds and for options. So I think there's nothing wrong at all with holding stocks in Robinhood. This is just more regarding trading stocks and how each app performs while trading. I think if you're an investor and just holding stocks, really either app is just fine. I actually prefer Robinhood's system with their dividends and everything a little bit better, because with Webull, to see your dividends, it's a lot more of a pain than it is on Robinhood. So let's switch over to Robinhood, and I'll tell you guys some of the good things about Robinhood and why you'd want to use them. I actually originally started with Robinhood and was not wanting to switch over to Webull. I was real hesitant because Robinhood was my first platform for stocks. I already had a portfolio with most of my money in it, and I didn't want to, first of all, have to start a whole new portfolio and put money in there to fund it, but also I didn't want to jump right into a new app with my own money and not really know what I was doing. So I eventually got into Webull, of course, but that's just kind of a cool story how I started. So this is Robinhood. This is the other stock trading app that we're going to compare to. And I've already discussed some of the things, but so with Robinhood, you can trade options for free, no commissions, which is really cool. So if you want to buy some contracts of realty income here at, let's say you want to get some calls, you think it's going to go up, you can just go right in there and look through the right here and see exactly which call you want to buy, and it's really simple to do options. You can also do more complex option strategies. You can do credit and debit spreads and all types of spreads, where on Webull, of course, there's no options or no spreads to be done. So that's definitely one of the benefits here of Robinhood. Also, I like their platform is just a little more eye appealing. I mean, you get your chart right here where you can easily see how everything's performing, and your stocks, pretty, simple to see everything, but it trades pretty similar as well. So if you want to trade a stock, let's say you want to buy a share of Fitbit, you just have to go get your limit in, and you could just type your limit. So you can buy it for the current price or whatever. So I think that's one of the main benefits of Robinhood is the options. Apart from that, they have other things where you can get Robinhood Gold and you can get margin and things like that. But regarding the free app only and not getting Robinhood Gold, there's not much more extra besides how it looks and a couple other features that they offer. And let's see, I'll show you how to look at your dividends here. So this makes it really simple to look through your history. Webull doesn't really have anything like this, so I can see all my dividends and the exact date, and it's real easy and appealing to the eyes. Where on Webull, it's more of just direct numbers. So yeah, that's the review. They're both pretty similar apps. They both allow you to engage in the stock market with no commissions. I think overall Webull is better for equities trading, and Robinhood is better for options trading or for anything regarding options. So hope you guys liked the video. Let me know which app you guys prefer. I'll have my link in the comment where if you sign up you will get a free stock just for signing up, and you can start your portfolio. So hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, comment below, and make sure to ask any questions if there's anything you're unfamiliar with, because I'm here to help everyone learn.